Hello everyone, Monisha here. This is the last part of area related to circle, exercise 5.3, last 5 questions, question 11 to question 16. Let us start the session. Let us move on to the 11th question of this session. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs of radius 7 cm. Here 9 circular designs are there, whereas the radius of each circle, the radius of each circle is 7 cm. If radius is 7, the diameter will be twice of radius, which is equal to 14. And 3 circles. So the 3 regular circle design which makes the side of a square. So this much you have to keep it in mind. First is radius of a circle. Radius of a circle as they are given, it is equal to 7 cm. Next is diameter of a circle, which is twice of the radius. So diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times the radius, which is equal to 14 cm. But as I already told you, the side of a square is also equal to 3 circular design. So side of a square. Side of a square is equal to 3 circular design, whereas each circular design has a diameter of 14. So the side of a square will be 42 cm. Next we need to find out the area of a square. Area of a square is given by formula side square. Since we have already found out the side of a square, which is equal to 42. So 42 square is equal to 1764 centimeter square. This is the area of square. Next, there are 9 circular design. So we have to find out the area of 9 circles. Area of 9 circles. So which is equal to 9 into area of circle formula is pi r square. So 9 into 22 by 7. As we know, the radius is equal to 7. So 7 into 7. 7 cancel. So we got 1386 centimeter square. So now we have to find out not the circular design, the remaining portions in between the handkerchief. So in order to get the remaining portion, that is the area of remaining portion. The area of a remaining portion in the handkerchief is obtained by subtracting area of square by area of 9 circles. Area of square subtracted to area of 9 circles. So area of square is given by 1764 minus area of 9 circle is 1386. Therefore, the remaining portion, the area of the remaining portion is equal to 378 centimeter square. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 12th sum. In this sum, OACB, you can see in the diagram, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and it has a radius of 3.5. So this quadrant has a radius of 3.5, whereas the value of OD is 2 cm. So we have to find out the sector OACB value and then the shaded region. So from OACB, if we subtract this triangle, then we will get the shaded region. Okay. So in the figure, OACB is a quadrant and a BOA. So this BOA angle is 90 degree. So we know that radius of this quadrant is equal to 3.5, whereas this 3.5 can be written as 7.2 centimeter and OD value is 2 centimeter. So first we have to find out area of the quadrant. So which is given here, area of the quadrant we have to find out. Area of the quadrant OACB, which is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta, here it is 90 degree. So 90 degree divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 get cancels. Here it is 9 4s are 2 11s are. So we will get 77 by 8. So 77 by 8, if we divide it, the division value will be 9.625 centimeter square is the area of the quadrant. So next we have to find out area of the triangle. Area of the triangle OBD. Area of the triangle OBD. So if the angle is 90 degree in a triangle, then we have to use half into base into height. So here base is OB and height is OD. So half into, so base is 3.5 into height OD is 2. Here 2 get cancels. So area of triangle is 3.5 centimeter, which is also equal to 7/2. So the last is we have to find out the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of a quadrant OACB minus area of triangle OBD. So area of quadrant OACB is given by 9.625 minus area of triangle is 3.5. So here we will get 6.125 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the next question, that is 13th one. In the given figure, a square OABC with a side 20 centimeter has been given and which is inscribed inside a quadrant. So we have to find out the shaded region, the area of the shaded region. In order to find that, first we have to find out the area of the quadrant and then we have to subtract the area of a square with the area of a quadrant. By that we will get the shaded region. So first I will find out area of a square which has a side of 20 centimeter. So area of square, we know that the formula of it is side square and the side of the square is equal to 20. So 20 square is equal to 400 centimeter square. So next, in order to find out the quadrant, we have to first find out the radius of this quadrant. Okay. So in order to find this triangle is considered as Pythagoras. So right angle triangle. So by considering Pythagoras triangle, we can find out this hypotenuse. So here a right angle triangle is there which is OB and A, which has 90 degree and both side is 20. We have to find out the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that the hypotenuse square, that is OB square, is equal to OA square plus AB square. So OB square, OB we have to find out. So OB square is equal to OA is 20 square plus here also 20 square. So OB square is equal to 400 plus 400. So OB square is equal to 400 is 2 times. So twice 400 is there. So I will take the square this side. So it will become square root. So OB is equal to root 2. So the 2 doesn't have any root. So 400, if you take it outside, the root of 400 is 20. So OB value is 20 root 2. Next we have to find out, since OB is there, this will become the radius. We have to find out the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant OPBQ. The area of quadrant OPBQ is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r. So r is radius, which is 20 root 2. 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. So 4s are. Next we can take it as 22 by 7. I will be taking it as 3.14 into 20 into 20 is 400 and here root 2 whole square. Square and root get cancels and divide by 4 will be there. 4 into. So since I have taken 22 by 7 as 3.14. Okay. So next 3.14 into 400 into 2 divide by 4. So here 4 ones are 400s are. So 3.14 into 100 into 2. We know that point after point 2 digits are there. If you multiply with 100, the point will shift here. So it will become 314 into 2. So which is equal to 628 centimeter square. So this is the area of a quadrant OPBQ. So now we have to find out the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of square OABC, area of square OABC. So area of a quadrant is equal to 628 centimeter square minus square is 400 centimeter square. So it is equal to 228 centimeter square. So which is area of the shaded region. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 14th question of this session. Here AB and CD are respectively two arcs. That is AB and CD are respectively two arcs of the concentric circles. So the bigger radius is considered as R1, which is 21 centimeter, and the smaller radius, which is considered as R2, that is 7 centimeter. And as you can see here, the angle theta is 30 degree. So here, in order to find out the shaded region, first you have to find the area of sector, area of bigger sector, that is area of sector OAB, with the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. So here theta is 30 divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7, and the bigger radius is 21. So 7 3s are, so here 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are and 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So here again 2 2s are and 2 11s are. Here you will get 231 divided by 2, which is also equal to 115.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of bigger sector. In the same way, we have to find out the area of the smaller sector. So area of smaller sector or area of sector OCD, again given the same formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 30 divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into the smaller radius is 7. Here 7 7 get cancels, 0 0 and 3 1s are, 3 2s are, again from 2 6 are 12 and 2 11s are. So 77 by 6 by the division, which we will get 12.83 centimeter square. So now we have to find out the area of the shaded region, which is obtained by subtracting the two sectors. Area of shaded region, which is obtained by subtracting area of sector, that is the bigger sector OAB, minus area of smaller sector, that is OCD. So first one is 115.5 centimeter square minus 12.83 centimeter square, which is equal to 102.67 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 14th question. So here in the figure, ABC is a quadrant. You can see here. So this is a quadrant. ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle. Semicircle with BC. You can see here it is a semicircle BC. So this is a semicircle. BC is a semicircle. So the semicircle is drawn with the base BC as a diameter, and find the area of the shaded region. This we have to find out. This shaded region we have to find out. So here in a quadrant, angle BAC. So this angle is 90 degree. And since it is 90 degree, we can find out by Pythagoras theorem, so that we will get the diameter of this. So first we have to find out area of a quadrant. So area of a quadrant ABC, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 90 degree, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7. So here the radius is half. This side is considered as the radius, that is 14 into 14. So 0 0 cancel, 9 1s are, 9 4s are. So next it is 7 1s are, 7 2s are, and 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So we will get 22 into 7, which is equal to 154 centimeter square is the area of the quadrant ABC. This is the area of the quadrant ABC. Next we have to find out this diameter. If we have to find out this diameter, then we have to take this right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras, so here BC is the hypotenuse, so BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So BC square is equal to AB is 14 and AC is also 14. So 14 square. So BC square is equal to 196 plus 196. So 196 plus 196. So BC square is equal to 392. So BC is equal to square root of 392. So which we can split it as 196 into 2. So 2 times of 196. So we know that 196, the square root of 196 is 14. So 14 root 2 is the diameter. Okay, 14 root 2 is the diameter. Next we have to find out since the diameter is 14 root 2, we need the radius. So radius is half of diameter. So 14 root 2 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 7 the. So the radius is 7 root 2 centimeter. So this will become a diameter. And 7 root 2 is the radius. Now we have to find out the semicircle, the area of semicircle. So area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. So 22 by 7 into, so this half is there by 2. I will take it as 1 by 2. And r is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. So here 2 ones are 2 11s are and 7 7 get cancels. So it will become 11 into 7. Here root 2 and root 2, it will become 2. So next we will get 154 centimeter square. So 154 centimeter square is the area of the semicircle. Now we need to find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Since it is 90 degree, we can write it as half into base into height. So here base, which we can consider as AC, and height as AB. So half into 14 into 14. 2 7s are. So 14 7s are 98 centimeter square. So finally we have to find out the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle, area of semicircle minus area of quadrant, area of quadrant. So here area of triangle ABC, which is 98 centimeter square, plus both area of semicircle is 154, area of quadrant is also 154, both will get cancels. So area of shaded region is 98 centimeter square. So this triangle plus this area of semicircle, from this whole we have to subtract this quadrant. If we subtract this quadrant, we will get the shaded region. I hope you understood this. So this is the last question and the last session of area related to circle. So the question is, calculate the area of the design region in this figure. So this is the design region, and here the square is of side 8 centimeter, and this square will be, the side will be the radius. So here ABCD is a square with each side equal to 8 centimeter, which is considered as a radius, and since it is a square, the angle will also be equal to 90 degree, that is theta. So first we have to find out the area of a square ABCD. Since side is 8, the 8 square, 64 centimeter square is area of a square. Next we need to find out area of a quadrant ABFD. So this is the quadrant ABFD. From here you can see here A, B, F and D. So this is a quadrant. So area of quadrant ABFD is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So here theta is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r is 8. 8 into 8. So 9 4s are, so 4 2s are. So here 22 into 2 into 8 whole divided by 7, which is equal to 352 divided by 7. The quotient will be 50.28 centimeter square. So this is the area of a quadrant ABCD. Now we have to find out this area, that is CBFD. So if we want to find out CBFD, then from the square, if you subtract this ABFD, then we will get this part. So from the whole square, if you subtract this quadrant ABFD, then the remaining part will be this CBFD. So area of CBFD, which is obtained by subtracting area of square with area of quadrant. Area of quadrant ABFD. So area of square is 64 minus area of quadrant is 50.28, which is equal to 13.70 centimeter square. So which is the area of this CBFD. Okay. So this CBFD is also equal to ABED because both are same shape and size. So area of CBFD is also equal to area of ABED. Therefore, both are equal to 13.72 centimeter square. So in order to find out the area of design, so how we can find out only this area of design? From square, if we subtract this both region, then the only remaining part will be the design. So by that we can find out the area of design. So area of design is obtained by subtracting area of square with area of CBFD plus area of ABED. If this region is subtracted from the area of square is 64 minus 13.72 plus 13.72. So we will get 64 minus 27.44, which is equal to 36.56 is the area of the design, centimeter square. So I hope you understood this. By this problem, we have come to the conclusion of area related to circle. If you have any queries or doubt on this chapter, area related to circle, kindly comment me on the comment section. Thank you.